2 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plainfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
It's for Santa Ana Union.
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Yeah, that thing is heading directly for me. They're gonna issue SMW.
Expect damage to trees and power lines.
Yeah, they're gonna issue a special marine warning.
Storm will be near Plainfield and Clark around.
Dude, that storm is heading for me.
Linden around 6:40 p.m.
What the hell?
Toddville around 6:45 p.m.
That's crazy.
Fort Richmond and Oakwood around 6:50 p.m.
Fort Richmond.
The Verrazano Narrows Bridge around 6:55 p.m.
6:55.
For your protection, move to
Yeah, they're gonna issue SMW later.
Floor of a building.
Let's go. Beep. Whoa, what the heck?
The National Weather Service has
I thought that was
issued
an
severe thunderstorm watch number 548, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens.
God damn.